Hello and welcome to my Crochet Society opening box number 3. Thought I'd make this video, one for myself to archive what was inside each box, and for others to see the contents if they're looking for it, or they're chasing up just to make sure they've got everything as well. So here we go. So in this one you get 2 yarns of 100 grams King Cole cotton soft double knitting there, all in cotton. You get some stuffing, safety eyes, a pad, a project tracker pad. We got some crochet abbreviations on the back, and this is a pad that you can just use the pen for, and you can keep a track of your project that you use, the hook size, the yarn used, and you can list all the colours, almost like a shopping list as well. That's handy all the time, so even when you finish a project you can either keep those in a book or just keep it with your projects for when you it's on your hook and you just need to finish it off. Got that's your password on the back of that. Stitch marker, there you go, look at that, see that, it's like a mandala shape there. Very nice, very pretty. A postcard, crochet is my happy place, and that has all the abbreviation and crochet terms, switching between UK and the US version. And you have your booklet. It includes all the passwords as well inside if you do lose that little postcard, so you can watch the videos of how to make these little projects here. The Twilight, the little unicorn, that's where your stuffing and safety eyes come in. You can make this cowl, or you can make this lovely blooming blossoms mandala. Bit of mindful crocheting, that one in there. Lovely colours. And what else do you get? You also get a 4mm hook. Lovely colours again, all matching, the purple, the white and the blue there. Lovely cool colours, aren't they? And a fancy hooked zip bag, so if you are doing anything, all your projects, you can put them in here, or your bits of tools and whatnot, and they can all pop into that while you're working. Or because it's made of like a plastic, you could potentially use it as a wash up bag or a makeup bag, and you can still see the contents of it on the other side. That's very good, isn't it? Quite like that. Actually, those prices are the old prices from when they first were released. So that is your box number 3. Can't get it all back in now, can I? There you go. What would you make out of this box? Hard to choose, but that is box 3. Can't get it all back in. Never mind. Gorgeous box as always.